What's up, fuckers? Back with another shitty video.
Remember when your intro used to be, "What's up, YouTube?"
What's good, YouTube? I'm Josh. Welcome to the Nisbet Project. Yeah, we're going up on the helicopter. You look so good.
Thank you.
We're just gonna grab some beers.
Get some food.
Maybe a fruity drink. I'll check in with you guys once I get a beer. This place is so busy, we couldn't even sit outside. Too many.
Yeah, let's actually get some menus going. I'm pretty hungry.
I'm actually a little buzzed, I'm not gonna lie. I've had vodka, and vodka doesn't sit well with me, so like once I drink it, it's like... But this food is so good. I'm gonna eat the fruit, don't worry. You got this left. Cheers, boys.
Parmesan fries. So good.
How's your drink?
So good. 1 out of 10 would recommend. Everybody should come here. What's it called?
Amsterdam Brew House.
Amsterdam Brewery House. Everybody just come here. And then go on a helicopter ride.
You heard it here first.
Okay, so we're at a park now. We're just taking a little lie down in the grass. We just had some food. Just having a good time.
Welcome, Canada.
Yeah. Looking great. Oh my gosh, Josh is so cute. I love. Oh my goodness, so cute. Look, the boat is coming. Cool. Boat. So, there's a heli tour sign over here when it's actually not in that building. With the handmade stripy entrance.
We're about to get on a trailer park helicopter.
Pray for us, it's probably not a real helicopter, it's probably a paper airplane. Good luck.
Why do you build me up, buttercup, baby, just to let me down? And mess me around, and then worst of all, you never thought, baby, when you say you will. But I love you still, I need you more than anyone, darling. You know that I have from the start. So build me up, buttercup, don't break my heart. You are my toy, but I could.
So basically we're wearing the Marc Jacobs Remarkable full coverage foundation. Like it's pretty full coverage, pretty lasting. Definitely not cakey, so stay tuned.